Today's Doodle recognizes January 26 by honoring Maury Island, a biodiverse protected state reserve located off the eastern coast of Tasmania. The secluded haven is home to a unique collection of mammal, marine, and avian species, including one of Australia's rarest birds, the endangered 40-spotted Pardalote, which is depicted in the Doodle artwork. Native to the island's dry eucalyptus forests, the tiny Pardalote is the first Australian bird known to forage a sugary sap called manna by snipping the leaf stalks of gum trees, a process referred to as mining or farming by biologists. In response, these trees often heal their wounds with the release of nutritious manna that is then snatched up by the Pardalote to feed its offspring. From the northern peaks of Bishop and Clerk to the jagged rock pillars of Cape Peron in the south, Maury Island teems with wildlife and continues to one of the richest heritage sites in Australia. Thank you for watching.